Before implementing Monitor, information was all over the place. Different department was holding different information.
Every year we had a problem of stock take issue, and also the stock is not matching, always missing here and there. And with the ERP, we can control the stock more efficiently. And now we can achieve about 99.9, I would say 100%, but it's already have a good improvement from there.
The new ERP systems shall meet some requirements like user friendliness, intelligence, security, and can be customization. This will help us to maximize the benefit of the systems.
Synerchem started in 1993, and we are already 31 years in the business. From there, over the 31 years, we diversified into, initially we had trading of raw material ingredient for the food industry, and also later on add in the machinery for the meat processing, seafood and vegetarian. And after that, in 2005, we ventured into manufacturing, and that is how we started Bestari brand.
I think this is our social responsibility as well. As a food manufacturer, we want to ensure that our products are the highest quality in terms of taste and also food safety. So with the system like this, you can pre-plan how much of raw materials you need to order in advance. You don't want to order too much, otherwise you'll be just sitting there, and by the time it goes into production, it's already another few months to expiry date. Information definitely gets relayed faster now, and thus improving our all-round productivity and efficiency, and also it can improve the subsequent chain of events further down the line that is affecting the whole business operations. Use existing number of people to double the output, triple the output. I think for that is technically reducing your labor costs.
It becomes more efficient when we don't need to do manually reporting or deduction the raw material. WMS we integrate with the ERP, and ERP we deduct the material based on how many goods we are producing or sent to the ASRS.
Some sections we want it to be fully automatic to reduce the human contact with the food because we're in the food industry. But some sections we want it to be semi-automatic so that we can use machineries and equipments to assist our workers to increase their productivity and efficiency, and also to create jobs for the locals.
At a certain point, once we reduce the manpower that direct contact with our foods, we can lower down the risk of cross-contaminations.
Monitor ERP system, there's a lot of possibility. We can do more automatic systems in our production. It will expose us to more accuracy and productivity increase.
Monitor help in daily tasks by reducing duplicate data entry with the smart purchasing processes, with historical pricing, and predict production and control expenses. We are able to obtain better purchase prices.
The Monitor ERP system definitely help us, enhance us, ensure us most competitive in this today's dynamic manufacturing environment.
Pertamanya, kita more concern dekat expiry date. Bila kita produce barang, ke customer pun kita kena control back. So bila kita ada sistem, dia bantu kita untuk follow requirement expiry, dan kita akan keluarkan stock based on first in first out tadi lah. So ERP akan provide kita pick list supaya setiap barang yang keluar based on quantity yang perlu. So kita akan ada stock accuracy lah, lebih efektif.
Definitely, Monitor will help us on the ESG. In fact, we are actually embarking on the ESG project. This could be the this year project that we want to work with Monitor to go on to ESG. Definitely, this ESG is getting more and more important for this company and for this country. Especially, we are also gearing for export market. So this is also very important that Monitor would be able to help us on that.
As you grow your company, you will definitely need tools to help you along the way. And I believe Monitor is a very good partner for you. The Monitor team has been very supportive of us since day one. So So we are fully confident in Monitor. So I think we're happy with that. We can go to bed at night at this decision.